Hi fam, this combination is literally one of a kind. It is dandruff cleanser, massive hair growth tonic, and it restores damaged hair. Watch to the end of this video to get all the tips that comes with it. Do not forget to please hit the like and subscribe button. Your support is highly appreciated. So this is how to make this powerful recipe, okay? And these are the ingredients involved. The first we'll be using is clove. For those who don't know what clove is, this is what cloves looks like, okay? It's a very powerful ingredient. Apart from the hair, it has other health benefit, but we won't be sharing that in this video. We are only on the hair benefit and what it does for the hair, okay? We'll be using only 2 spoons of clove for this remedy, okay? It is good for regrowth, it's good for dandruff, it's good for the scalp. It is totally amazing, and it's a must add to everyday routine. The next thing we'll be adding is rosemary. Rosemary is also a very powerful ingredient too. It's very hard getting the fresh one here, so we opt for the dried one. Both of them is very beneficial, so whichever you can get in your local store is okay for it. So we need 2 spoons of cloves for this, and the next thing we will add is fenugreek seed, okay? Fenugreek seed is also a powerful ingredient for the hair. We'll be needing 2 spoons of it added to the mixture, and we add our water to it. After that, we will leave in this mixture to sit for 3 to 4 days, okay? We really need to get all the nutrients we need from the rosemary and the cloves. Because the rosemary and the cloves are dry, they are totally dry, you need time for it to actually, soak in the water for all the ingredients to come out. So that is, and also the fenugreek seed is also a dried seed, okay? So 3 to 4 days will be perfect for it to be totally soaked. After 4 days, the mixture is ready to be used. As you can see, the color has turned black because it has infused all the nutrient into the water. So we'll strain it out and then put it into a bottle, and it is ready to be used, okay? This is how our mixture is. It is ready to be used, guys. This mixture, I actually used it every day. I used it every day on my hair, guys, and the result is amazing. It's amazing. It's incomparable. So I use this every day on my hair, every evening, or at least 1 hour before I go to bed. It dries off so quickly, and I put on my bonnet and go to bed. You could try it, guys. It is amazing for your hair. If you can't use it every day, you can use it 2 or 3 times a week, but it's a must add to your routine, hair routine. Thank you guys for staying through this video. Thank you. And my return viewers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your support. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you like what you see, and the subscribe button if this is your first time seeing my video. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you guys for staying through. Thank you, and thank you once again. I will see you in the next video. Next video we will be discussing why clove doesn't work for some people and how to know your hair porosity. Please stay subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.